Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to register an Aviator Predictor application. So basically this is what it looks like, and to start you have to go to any web browser and type Aviator Predictor app. Tap this one and you will see results here related to Aviator, but what you're going to do is you have to go to GitHub, tap this one. Now here you will see options again, like how are you going to download this one, but I want you to simply focus on this AVI Predict. Tap this one, and then it will take you again to another page. Okay. Now, what you're going to do here is you just need to scroll down and you will see here steps on how to play, how to download. As you can see, if you have set up this one, or if you want to set up, you need to download the zip and then install the app, open the app, and then click login for usage. After launching, the login screen will appear, username, this one, and then password. You need to click forget password to enter your password. So basically, this is what it looks like. This is the thing you should do after you download this and after you sign in. Okay. If you tap this download this app, then you should see this one, Aviator Predictor, and then click this download app again. And basically, after following some steps, it should take you to this, and you can now proceed and start using this platform. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.